Did you know that you can draw realistic hair in Blender? For the best results, I recommend to use a pen tablet because of its pressure sensitivity. This technique works best for shorter hair strands like eyebrows or eyelashes, but you can probably also make it work for long hairstyles. Here's how you become a master barber with Blender's grease pencil. First, you need something to draw on, so let's add a new grease pencil empty object to the scene. The grease pencil only works in 2D space, basically on a 2D plane that can be rotated in 3D space. The plane's orientation can be set to different modes. The stroke origin can also be defined. There are two settings that we're going to use for this technique. If you want to create eyebrows, draw an outline for the eyebrow shape on your character's face. Now you can fill the outline with individual strokes. Those are basically the individual hair strands, so the more you add, the thicker the eyebrows will be. We're going to use the second technique for hair and eyelashes. Place the 3D cursor where the stroke is supposed to start. Use the viewport to determine the 2D plane orientation. For this, a high IQ is highly recommended. And once you find all these parameters, you can draw the individual hair strands. Because these strands don't grow out of the same spot, you probably have to change these two parameters from time to time. Once you're done, or while you're editing it, you can go into sculpt or edit mode to refine the shape of the strokes. You can also use layers to separate strokes from another to make editing a little easier. Once you have it with your drawing, let's actually turn those strokes into geometry. You can select the individual stroke layers and convert them into curves. And now you can change the thickness in the curve settings. All you need to do now is add a hair material to the curves and you're good to go.